Okay, class, how to answer this question 6? Okay, first, Umar drove his taxi from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur via the highway. Okay, so now Umar drove his car. Okay, let's say this one is Ipoh. Okay, he drove his car from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, this one is KL. Okay, then he stopped at Tapah to pick up some goods before proceeding to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, he stopped at Tapah. Okay, this one T stand for Tapah. Okay, he drove from Ipoh to Tapah at an average speed, okay, 100 kilometer over a distance of 60 kilometer. So this is the clue here. Okay, he drove at 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, the distance from Ipoh to Tapah is 60 kilometer. Okay. What another clue here? Okay, the another clue lagi kat sini. Okay. If the average speed of his taxi from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur is 110 km per hour over a distance 220 km. That means from Ipoh, okay, to Kuala Lumpur, he drove at 110 km per hour. Okay, this is the average speed from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. And then the distance, okay, from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur is 220 kilometer. Okay, from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. But from Ipoh to Tapah, okay, we have already 60 kilometer. So balance the distance from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur, you must minus. Okay, that means 220 minus 60. So equal 160 kilometer. Okay. So how to answer this question? Okay, this question about average speed of Umar taxi from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, he want to average speed from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, first we must know the distance and the time. Okay, now we have this one clue here. Number 1, number 2. Okay, so what is the formula of average speed? Okay, you know already average speed, okay, equal total distance, okay, total distance over total of time taken. Okay, from this clue, we have already, okay, average speed. Ada dah. After that, you have already the distance. So, find out the time taken. So, time taken, okay, time taken is equal total distance 60 km over 100 km per hour. Okay. So the time is 60 over 100. You akan dapat 0.6 hour. Okay. 0.6 hour. Okay. So 0.6 hour. Okay. Now what is the total time, okay, from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur? Average speed of Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur, you have 110. And then the kilometer is 220 kilometer. So you must find out what is the time taken from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, you find out the time taken from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so time taken is equal total distance, okay, over, okay, total distance over average speed. Okay, ingat this one from Ipoh to KL. Okay, yang number 1 is from Ipoh to Tapah. Okay, this one time from Ipoh to Tapah is 0.6 hour. Okay, now what is the time from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur? Okay, total distance is 220 over 110. Okay, this one kilometer per hour. This one also kilometer. So, 220 divided by 110. So, equal to 2 hours. Okay, that's mean total time is 2 hours. Okay, so the question asks about average speed of Umar taxi from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, you can see here from Ipoh to Tapah 0.6. And then from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur 2 hours. So what is the time take? Okay, how many hours? Okay, he drove from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, that means from, okay, this one is 0.6 hour. Okay, total here from here until here, from Ipoh until Kuala Lumpur is 2 hour. Okay, so that means from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur 2 hour minus 0.6 hour. So this one become 1.4 hours. Okay, that means from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur, okay, the time is 1.4 hours. Okay, so calculate the average speed of Umar's taxi from Tapah to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so how to find out the average speed? Okay, kita pilih pula. Okay, number 3. Okay, so average speed equal to total distance over total time. Okay, total distance is 160 kilometer. Then total time is 1.4 hour. So 160 over 1.4. Okay. So you get 114.29 kilometer per hour. Okay. So there are 3 steps here to get the answer.